The Alpine supercar sets a new standard in the world of hypercars. It blends electric power with high-performance engineering, delivering an unmatched driving experience. Let's talk about the design. The first thing you notice is the car's mirror silver body. The glossy finish reflects the environment perfectly. The sleek lines and carbon fiber accents give it an aerodynamic edge, while the neon blue accent lines are on the headlights and side skirts add a futuristic touch. The butterfly doors open gracefully, giving the car a distinctive look, one that screams luxury and performance. Now, let's get into performance. The Alpine supercar is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining raw power with electric efficiency. With over 1,000 horsepower, this car can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars out there. The top speed, 463 kilometers per hour, setting a new benchmark in the hypercar world. The electric powertrain provides smooth acceleration, and the instant torque makes every push of the pedal feel exhilarating. Handling is where the Alpine supercar really shines. The car uses an advanced all-wheel drive system for perfect traction, especially at high speeds. The low stance and active aerodynamics keep the car glued to the road, whether you're taking sharp corners or cruising at top speed. The carbon fiber monocoque keeps the car lightweight and stiff, which helps with both handling and safety. Inside, the car is just as impressive. The cockpit is designed with performance in mind. The floating digital dashboard displays everything from speed to battery levels, and it's all easy to read while driving. The leather seats are stitched with blue accents, providing both comfort and style. The carbon fiber steering wheel gives you the feel of control, whether you're on a track or driving on the street. The panoramic glass roof offers a stunning view of the sky, making every drive feel more connected to the world around you. The technology in the Alpine supercar is top tier. It features wireless charging, which can charge the car fully in under an hour. The car also has advanced driver assist systems, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. These features help you feel safe while also pushing the limits of performance. Driving the Alpine supercar is an experience unlike any other. From the moment you hit the accelerator, the power is instant. The electric motors provide a smooth, quiet ride, while the twin-turbo V6 engine adds that traditional performance car sound when you need it. It's a car built for those who love speed, precision, and innovation. The Alpine supercar isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's the future of performance, a blend of style, speed, and cutting-edge technology. If you want the best of what's out there, this is it.